Good morning,
OTG
friends and
Cattle Ranch,
family. Yeah, this is OTG
Ilorin,
Cattle
Kwara
Ranch,
State,
Kwara State,
Nigeria.
Ilorin. Yeah, I'd like to take you around the farm. So, if you like this video, please kindly click on the subscribe button and click the notification button in the box. And please, if you think you have any comments that will be helpful, if there's anything we are missing or getting wrong, or you have an important comment to drop, please kindly drop it. God bless you.
Sneaking while you peeping, if you watching, not just vibing, girl. You just keep on doing what you doing, don't be shy, my girl. Sneaking while you peeping, if you watching, I'm just vibing, girl. You just keep on doing what you doing, don't be shy, my girl. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you got for me. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you got for me. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you got for me. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you. Hey yo, 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 hey yo. I see you in the dark, I see you in the dark again. I never go back, I never go back again. I see you in the dark, I see you in the dark again. I never go back, I never go back again. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you got for me. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you got for me. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you got for me. Bounce what you got, bounce, bounce what you. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. I can tell. Hey yo, hey yo. I can tell that you shy with the way that you vibe. No, you're not from the block with the way that you rock. OMG, what I'm thinking. I don't know what she thinking. Getting hot and we thirsty. Getting late and I'm thirsty.
Some of these animals have been kept, we've been keeping them for years. So, as you can see, this is also a calf as well. The mother has been milked. So, as you can see, early in the morning like this, we usually set fire for them to chase away the flies. Cows don't like flies, so cows don't like flies. So every morning like this, we usually set fire for them. And also in the evening when they are coming from grazing, they usually go they usually go on grazing in the morning, any moment from 10. And you know how cow things are. all of them actually have. Whenever we set the fire like this, they rally around the fire. And you can see this is one of our head bulls. The other one in the other. You can see how massive he is. So in due time, we still have some for auction as well. As you can see, the guy is very aggressive. So this guy is actually not actually meant to be. He's also one of our. We only snaked here. You know animals. They love to enjoy the females. Calf. She's just released from the pen. We usually keep the calf in the pen in the evening. So before you wake up, if not, they would have finished sucking all the milk, only for you to be left with nothing to extract from the cow. So basically, in the morning they release them, they tie them in the evening, we lock them up. For us, we don't tie them, we lock them up. So as you can see, this is the trick. If the calf is not released to the mother will not allow them to suck. Will not allow them to extract the milk. So as you can see, she's actually happy seeing her calf. So it's actually a young bull. So they will wait for the cow to suck a little. They will wait for the calf to suck a little. So Abuka Nasuka Shiga video. Oya Kaduba. This is Abu. These are one of our young elder. These are Abib. They are all friends together. You won't believe it. The boy has started speaking Fulanchi as well. So and this is Umar. So as you can see, this is the procedure. We have to tie the calf to the mother. You know, here in Nigeria, we still use the conventional way. As you can see, so they will have to fill this container with the milk. This is how it actually works. So after they are done extracting the milk, the calf can then suck from the mother. So they usually do this in the morning. In the evening, once they come back from grazing, the calf would have been hungry by then. We just have to suck directly from the mother without even milking. If they want to milk, they only milk a little from the mother, but not as much as it is in the morning. Overnight, when the calf sleep, they tend to produce more milk than when they go on grazing, since there's so much stress on them already. And here in the farm, we keep a little beds just to beautify the farm. As you can see, they all feed on the maggots and some of the insects.